Yes, good morning children. I hope everyone is ready for the class. So, second class children, today I am going to start again from to letters. Okay. So, let's start from the से लेकर अक्षर तक हम पढ़ेंगे दोबारा. Okay. So, teacher for like FA exam also, what did I conducted? Yes, to ni. But what are the letters I had given to you? Only first, that is 13 letters, swar letters, right? Vowels. Only we had learnt vowels. Then we will go get into the consonant, that is Vyanjan letters. Okay. Children, you don't know what is swar, what is Vyanjan. I too agree. I am very sorry to say now, because see, now we came back to second class. Now teacher will take you very slowly. Don't worry children. Okay. Now you came from which class? UKG to second class. So you don't worry. Your Hindi teacher will teach you very slow way, as like a first class basics. Okay. So we don't want to run behind with any matra or any words. Okay. So teacher will teach you only from the basics, all without any matra. Let me start only with the basic steps. Like how do you used to learn in English alphabets, A, B, C, D, isn't it? A to Z letters, then their pictures, the name of the words. So like that we will come into the second class. The same topic in Hindi, step by step we will start. Okay. So let me start with which letters? Se, ana to aha lakshar. Aha letters. Okay. Now teacher will write on the board. Listen children. Listen first. Look at here. Here I will show you the first of all. Teacher will draw some few lines. How to write the letters on the. Look at here. Those are, you don't draw any lines in your class book children. Okay, this is your margin line. Okay, just think that this is your margin line. Okay, now listen here children. Actually for first class children, we used to teach the like strokes, letter strokes, like this way. First stroke, second stroke, okay, third stroke, middle line. Then we used to show them middle line, then straight line, then complete the letter. Okay, in this way we used to teach in the class 1. So every letter teacher will show the strokes and letters in the class 1. But unfortunately, because due to this pandemic session, we had jumped out to which class now? UKG to second class. So you had missed all the strokes and letters. But don't worry children, now teacher will teach you the same systematic, but little again so easy only, but not with the strokes, with the complete letters. Okay, with pictures. Now here how to write. First of all, you should know how to write the letters in the line. See here there are the lines, isn't it? Here this is the lines. How to write the Hindi letters? Please don't write in the between letters children, like this. This is not the correct way. Is it clear? This is not the correct way. Whenever you are writing any letter, please touch the line. Look at here. How teacher is writing. This is a. Okay. Place the finger gap. A say arm. E say imali. Like this. Place the finger gap. E say eek. Look at that. O say ullo. U say own. Re say rishi. Okay children. The next one. A say ad. I say ainak. O say okhali. Au say aushad. Okay. Say angur. Say khali. So in this way teacher will teach you the basics. Only to letters. Is it clear children? So how many letters are there? 13 letters. Here how many letters are there? Here 13 letters are there. So you please keep on doing this to letter practice children. Now how to write this re letter? Be careful children. This is the first stroke. Okay. This is the second stroke. Re letter stroke. I was showing you. Third stroke, take a curved line. Fourth stroke, one small line. take a curve, complete the letter. That's it. Is it clear, children? This is the way you should have to write the re letter. Re say rishi. In this way you should have to write. Okay. Don't drag the letter completely like this. Some children they are doing like this way. No, this is wrong. Okay. So while writing the strokes, don't write any letter in between the letters like this. ఈ ఇలా రాయడము ఇలా కొమ్ము పెట్టడము ఇవన్నీ ఇలా రాయడము తప్పు. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ రాంగ్. ప్లీజ్ డోంట్ రైట్ such type of dirty handwriting in your classwork notebook. Is it clear, children? The next one is, what is this first row? Now we are going to start from the, that is in English, consonants. What you should have to say? Yes, good. In Hindi it is Vyanjan. But Swar Vyanjan, don't get confused, children. Once I am telling you, I will teach you again in the when we complete all the Ka to Gna letters, then I will tell you what are vowels, what are consonants. Okay. Now what is the next first row? Ka se Kamal. Let's start with the Ka se Kamal. Kha se Khargosh. Ga se Gamala. Gha se Ghada. Ni se Khali. How many letters, lines are there? How many letters are there? First letter, second, third, fourth and five. Is it clear, children? So what is this? Ka se, first letter. This is the first line. First stroke. Take a curve and bring it out. Give the top line. Complete the letter. Is it clear? First letter, first line. Look at here. This is the first line. Again, take the middle stroke. Third one. Bring it out. This is the shape of the letter. And then give a small line. Don't drag the line like this. Ka aksharam illa rasi inta pedda line ivadam tappadi. Okay. Aksharam enta undo antane line ivandi chinnaga. But you should have to touch the line. How to write the K letter? Look at here. This is the K. Curve line. What is this? Just like a C. Okay. Now get back. Now look at here. One. Don't lift your finger. Just lift it down towards upward and give a straight line. Curve line. That's it. This is curve. Is it clear? Now look at here how teacher will write. Curve line. Go towards upward, downward. Give the middle curve. That's it. Close the letter. This is curve. Third one. Ga se Gamala. Straight line. Curve line. Straight line. That's it. Ga se Gamala. Gha se Ghada. Gha se Ghada. Please children, don't write like this way. Don't like this way means don't make it double. Don't make it double line. Single line. Take curve line, double line. Go towards upward and downward. That's it. Okay? That's it. Gha se Ghada. So ka se kya ban gaya? Kamal. Okay, kalam, pen. You can do anything, children. Okay, Kamal, Kabutar. Okay, Kabutar, pigeon. Is it clear? Or you can write Ka say kalam, pen. See how many pictures are there related to Ka, isn't it? So what is this here? This is Kamal, lotus, kalam, pen, kabutar. Okay, what is this? Kabutar. What is the next one? Kha. Kha se Khargosh or Khat letter. This is Khat. Okay. Then another one is Khargosh. What is the meaning of Khargosh? Yes. What is this? Rabbit. What is this? Rabbit. Okay. So you can understand this, all these pictures, and make it clear that how to write it. Okay, children? So what the rabbits like to eat? Carrot. What is this? Carrot. Okay. Kha se Khargosh. Kamal, Kalam, Kabutar. Here Khat and Khargosh. Okay. The next one. Okay, teacher. And what is this Ga letter? Ga letter stands for what? Gaj. Elephant. You can't draw elephant picture, right? But you can draw easily which picture? That is Gamla. Flower pot. Look at here. Draw a pot and draw some different flowers. Color it. Okay. See, look at here. That's it. What is this? Flower pot. And you can draw leaves, isn't it? Then what is the next letter? G. G comes for what? Which picture? Yes, that is ghada, pot. Or you can write ghar. G say ghar. Is it clear now? Yeah. This is G say ghar. Okay, children. And Ni say khali. Ni say khali. That's it. So, K here, first picture. K. And here, K. Next comes G. Next comes G. And the last letter is Ni. Is it clear? Here, K, K. G, G, Ni. So, practice A to Ni. Some few children, they are even now they don't know how to write this letter K. They are feeling so difficult to write this letter K. Try to understand, children. See, look at here. Once again, I'll show you this. Highlight this letter K. How to write? Look at here. This is take a curve line. After K, go towards upward. Or else, if you are feeling so tough, do one thing. That's it. Take two shape. How will you write two? Bring it up. Okay. Then you draw a line and give a mark. That's it. You can write it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only within 5 lines, 5 strokes you can complete the K letter. So make it very clear. Please do the practice till first stroke. K, K, G, G, Ni. Small sound. It's a big sound. Small, big. It is nasal sound. Ni is a nasal sound. Okay, nasal అంటే ముక్కు తోటి సౌండ్ వస్తుంది. నీ అన్న లెటర్స్ అక్షరం. మిగతా ఏంటి? ఒకటి చిన్నగా అలా చెప్పాలి. ఖ. సెకండ్ అక్షరం ఇలా చెప్పాలి, గట్టిగా అనాలి, హై పిచ్. ఓకే, ఖ కంఠం నుంచి మనకి సౌండ్ రావాలి. ఖ. ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ వాట్? గ, ఘ, ని. Is it clear, children? So keep on doing the practice of writing the A to AHA letters and K to Ni letters. Is it clear, children? I hope this class is very clear, isn't it? So please keep on doing this A to Ni letters. How many times you are going to write? 3 times. This is the homework for you, children. 3 times you do the practice of writing A to Ni letters. Is it clear? Is it clear? Will you follow me? Yes. Write very neat handwriting. Okay, place a finger gap and complete this class. And write it very neat handwriting. No scribbling work and don't write in between the lines. Okay? మధ్య మధ్యలో రాయడము, పెద్ద పెద్ద లైన్ ఇవ్వడము అలా పెట్టకుండా మంచి షేప్లో ఉండాలి అక్షరాలు. Okay? I hope this class is very clear for you. So tomorrow we'll start with the second row. Is it clear? We'll start with the recap session. Then we'll go with the second row. Ch, ch, j, j, ni. It is not there, but I'll write tomorrow. I'll show you. Don't get confused. So we'll go with very slowly and step by step. First row if it is complete, if it is very clear, then we'll come back to second row. So second row will follow to again third row. Is it clear, children? Fine. Thank you, children.